Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use MCUXpresso into the Visual Studio Code. What we have to do is the first thing you go to the extension tab here. Then you go ahead and search MCUXpresso. So this is what it is. MCUXpresso for Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and install this. In my case, I already installed my MCUXpresso for Visual Studio Code. Once you're done for this part, go ahead. The next thing you need is actually you go ahead and download the MCUXpresso installer. So you download this and go ahead and select the specific things here. So for me, my part is I will choose Windows. Go ahead and download this. So it will be have a MCUXpresso installer here. Gonna download install this. Then go ahead and open this directory. MCUXpresso installer. So okay. Decline. For this case, I already click all right on here. So I click on the MCUXpresso SDK developer, Zipfire developer, Method developer, ARM GNU toolchain, standalone toolchain, add-on, Zipfire SDK, link server, Sega J-Link, and PME Micro. So I already installed, in this case I already installed all of this. Once you click all of this, then you can click install. For in my case I already installed it. To get these two done, MCUXpresso extension, MCUXpresso installer, go ahead back to your Visual Studio Code. Go ahead to the MCUXpresso for Visual Studio Code. And here you can click import repository. We choose on remote archive. You can search our board here. FD for my case is MCXA153. So you're gonna load a bit. Make sure your internet was on. Yes, then this will be detected, which is currently using FRDM MCXA153, my name, and this is my path of the location which I browse to. Click on agree and import. In this case, I already have my SDK installed already. Just remember, go to remote archive and choose your selective port. Then go ahead, just import, click agree and import. And remember to put your name and your respective location for the SDK to be installed. Okay, once this you have done, import example from your repository, or you can click here as well. So you can see this board right here which we will using our SDK. Just now is MCXA153. Please select the board which is MCXA153 evaluation kit. Now currently is loading. Okay, this is the evaluation kit we're using. Go ahead and just click hello world application, hello world, and our tool chain should be this. Okay, yeah, or you can use the user recommended version and go ahead and import it. Finally, you can see now we import it. Then the next thing you need to do is wait a while. Okay, here we can see the FRDM MCXA153 underscore hello world example is loaded from our SDK. From here you can change and configure and manipulate following the developer how they want it. Go ahead and click on hello world.c. You can see this is our hello world.c. You can see MCUXpresso framework inside this Visual Studio Code is going on. And if you go right here, you can click on the build project button. Go ahead and build. So you can see this here currently is building. This take a while a bit because it's first time building the project. I believe it will come a debug over here. Yes, this is the debug. And then I think I haven't built it. It's on the way because it's first time building it. Okay, it's already built finished successful. If you see this is good enough, you can go for your debug. You can see here these are our project files here. Under the project file there's a debug. Click on and expand it and go ahead and click copy the L file which we have to flash it. Copy this, review file explorer. Go ahead and copy this L file. Copy, and then we're gonna paste this. Just in case I'm just gonna paste offside. Shortcut. It should be that elf rename. Okay, I'm gonna refresh my probe. It's gonna declare my MCXA153. Then we go ahead and browse our L file. which is this is our L file, hello world.elf. Open and flash, go ahead and program it. Okay, done. Go to your Teraterm. Because I was loading my demo app is hello world, it should be presents hello world here, and go ahead and click serial COM12, which is present on here. Setup serial port 11520000. Okay, so if I hit my reset button, you're gonna present my hello world as well as MCUX SDK version, which is the latest 2026.3. Okay, and then hello world. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And this how we can configure our MCUXpresso into the Visual Studio Code. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.